So in my dashboard, I'm going to click Products. Within the Products page, this is showing you all of the products that are listed through your Lemon Drop right now. So if I look here at all these listed products, they're divided up by grower. So we have Donna's Garden, that's a grower, she's selling Myers lemons. And then I can scroll down, Meacham Urban Farm is listing all of these products. The ones that are grayed out are temporarily unavailable. The ones that are in color and not grayed out are available for sale right now. Like people can buy it right now. So this allows the host to decide, do I want to allow all of these products to be sold through my host location, through my Lemon Drop? We have this ban button at the right here, and it's kind of scary. And the reason why we've included that is because hosts need to have authority over what products are being sold through their location. If you click the ban button, this modal will pop up and it'll just warn you and tell you what will happen if you ban a product. You can always unban a product later on. If it's banned for a reason, that can be amended later. Like for example, a grower lists a product and you reviewed that product and it was a bundle of red potatoes that are being sold for $10,000. Like you might ban that product, and once they update the price, then you can unban it because you don't want people to buy $10,000 bundles of potatoes. That doesn't make any sense, right? And another reason you might ban a product is if the grower is consistently delivering bad product. It's really the host's responsibility to curate a good inventory of products that are being sold through your location and to build those relationships with the growers so that way you can get more products, more diversity of products, and get high quality products through your location. The last thing I'll say about this is that when you ban a product, an email will be sent to both you and the grower of the product that you banned, so that way you can communicate via email with each other on maybe why it was banned and how to resolve that if there's any resolve for that ban. A lot of times it's easy to resolve, but that just requires some communication. And so we kind of connect you to, so you can communicate that via email with each other. That concludes products. Next up is the calendar.